It's Amelia and
Olivia. My friend, well, she isn't here, but she's my friend, but Fiona's like she just had a sleepover, and she is my friend that's going to church with me tonight. Well, we've been playing the whole day, so yeah. Oh, I'm Garlic. Did you have to interrupt?
Yeah, you have to interrupt. Well, this is my friend, Beatrice. You hang up!
You shut up.
Well, this is Beatrice. She has
I'm
spots and she's a
Garlic.
ladybug.
I'm Garlic.
So we'll just have like fun with stuffed animals.
And do fun stuff.
And Garlic, stop!
So we already have our stuffed animals here. Introducing our first contestant, Finn.
Introducing Boo.
And then our next contestant is Amber.
Introducing
The princess of Enchantia is... Hello, my name is Princess Elizabeth.
no TV screen. You just get away from here.
Yeah, who cares? I'll step in the screen. Alright.
Get the skunk.
So today we're mostly going to be doing, like, how to handle your, stuffed animals, like, not what to do and what to do, like, how to take care. So let's get the stuff. Like,
Don't do this with their antlers.
and don't do this with their tails. Why did you do that?
Because shut up, piece of person.
And this is what you should not do with, like, a little bit bigger stuffed animals. You should not do this. Yeah, their legs will, like, come apart. And do this with your tail.
Do not flip them in the air because their eyeball can come off
Yeah, that happened to us at the movie theater. Like, it hit, like,
the ceiling.
Yeah, but, like, you know how, like, Tinseltown, like, the ceilings are, like, so high?
I hit my...
we
I
both...
hurt my chihuahua.
Yeah, and I hurt, which one was it?
It was a snowman.
Oh, yeah, and my snowman, like, Beanie Baby, like, hit the ceiling. Like, of it, like, this so high ceiling. And they went, like, and one of the eyes went like this. So, like, they were like this. Hello, I have one eye. Hey.
You just put your mouth on it.
No, I didn't.
Ow. This is what you do. Do not, like, get your hand on the wood. It's the worst thing I ever done. So I'm Amelia, and I'm 7.
I'm 8.
And I'm in 2nd grade.
And I'm in 3rd. And I'm 8, but, like, she's, like...
Really tall.
Like, yeah, no, you're really tall, and I'm, like, the shortest one in the... Like, there's, like, this boy in my class. He's, like, so small. I'm even, like, taller than him. Like, I'm, like, the 2nd tallest. And he was, like, when we were doing picture day, he was, like, as tall as us. Like, not as tall as me, but, like, there was, like, going small to tallest. And he was, like, right in front of me. He was, like, the line leader, and I was, like, the 2nd one because he was, like, so small. Shut. Alright. Time for the news today with Beatrice and Garlic. Get out of the way. Amelia, I said get out of the way. So they can't see you. So they can't.
You can't see this!
Who cares? Alright.
Well, this is Beatrice, and
Alright.
move your face.
No, it's time for the news. Ha.
Well.
Yeah, like, hunt. We have to do this so we'll get up in the screen. Hold on, we get a little seat for him.
Yeah. We need seeds.
Here's
Like
one.
12 seeds. Hey, scoot over. Your face is in it. You can't see Beatrice's face.
Understand? Hold on, sorry, we have to fix the news thing.
Yeah. The news thing is not going on.
Alright, here.
Well,
Hello, it's time for the news.
news. Yeah, news.
Have you ever, hold on.
Bye.
Hold on. We have to get this. Oh, I know who the suspicious one is. Suspicious. Have you ever seen this reindeer? He has been stealing the apples from the barn, and they're not supposed to be eaten by Santa. Here's a big, giant
Bad reindeer. No.
Stop!
Sorry.
Hey, come back here! No.
Now, let's hurry up with the stuffed animal things because we got talent. We can hear stuffed animals sing today.
Oh yeah, here.
It's a special.
Get out of the way. Not the news anymore.
It's a special event.
Get out. Get out. No, we can't be. All right. We have to hold them up.
You sing first.
I am a stripe. Alright, sorry that's the wrong song. That was like my practice song.
Sing a real song.
Alright, fine, I'll sing Let It Go.
Okay.
Let it go. Wait, hold on. The snow glows white on the mountain tonight. Not a footprint to be seen.
Okay.
Wait, hold on.
Let's just let
The wind is howling like this whirling storm inside. Couldn't keep it in. Heaven knows I tried. Don't let them in. Don't let them see. Be the good girl you always have to be. Can see it on feel. Don't let them know. Well, now they know. Let it go. Let it go. Turn away and slam the door. Let it go. Let it go. Turn away and slam the door. I don't care what they say. Let the storm rage on. The cold never bothered me anyway. Thank you, thank you. I can't sing the whole song because my friend needs to go. Sorry, bye.
Well,
Don't get your face in the camera.
Beatrice is singing the cup song, and she's really good. Okay. I got a ticket for a long way round. I got a ticket for a long way round. Too bad I miss me, but when I'm gone, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me when I'm gone. So you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. When I'm gone. When I'm gone. You're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me everywhere. You're gonna miss me when I'm gone. So you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. Thank you. Thank you.
Wait.
Wasn't Beatrice the nicest singer ever? Hey!
Again.
Well,
I get home.
Yeah.
The reindeer.
the rain.
Sorry, the reindeer always likes to get away. He doesn't like to pull people.
Can we do funny stuff today? Like really fun?
Hold on, we'll do it later. Hold on, get the reindeer. No, not like that. Oh, wait, yeah.
Like that. Our friend Randy.
No, don't.
Blitzen.
hold on,
is
go.
gonna pull the sleigh.
I guess they're gone. I guess they're gone. Beatrice and them.
Yeah.
So, this is the end of our show.
No, it isn't.
Yeah, it is. yeah. Part 2 will be in a few minutes. Bye! Peace out!
Boom.
Peace